In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code in Go High Level. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go in your account and how to set up a QR code you can use for campaigns, print materials, or in-person events. First, make sure you're logged into your Go High Level account and you're in the correct location or workspace where you want this QR code to live. Once you're in the right place, look at the main menu on the left-hand side of your screen. From there, click on the option labeled Sites. This is where Go High Level keeps tools related to your pages, funnels, and other web assets, and it's also where the QR code tool lives. After you've opened the Sites section, look for the QR codes option inside that area and click on it. This will take you to the QR codes dashboard. If you've created QR codes before, you'll see them listed here. If this is your first time, the page will be empty and that's completely fine. This is simply the central place where all of your QR codes will be stored and managed. Now, to create a new one, click on the button that says Create QR Code. This will open up a setup window or panel where you can configure all the details. Take a moment here, because what you set up now will help you stay organized later, especially if you plan on creating multiple QR codes for different campaigns. The first field you'll see is for the QR name. Type in a clear descriptive name that tells you exactly what this QR code is for. For example, you might name it something like Summer Promo Landing Page or Event Check-in Form. This name is internal, so your customers won't see it, but you will, so be as specific as you can. That way you can quickly identify and track it in your list. Next, you'll be asked to select the QR type. Go High Level supports dynamic URLs, which is especially powerful. A dynamic URL means you can change where the QR code points in the future without reprinting the code itself. This is perfect if you want to reuse the same printed material or signage while updating the destination, for example switching from one offer page to another. Choose the